So good day. My task for today is to tackle about the Who is Created God by Richard Dawkins, to how to respond this question. And second is to support that the scientist is discovering the mind intelligence in DNA. So first, uh, God is no one is created him because it says uh, he says in Revelation 22 verse 13, he says, I am the Alpha, the Omega, the first and the last, the beginning and the end. So meaning, uh, he is the first became in this world before the existence of human. So God, uh, he is the Alpha, the Omega, means she is the first and the last. So no human that came first before him because he is the Alpha. So he is the first. He is who is created the human to us, the world or the universe. So the second, so this shampoo named Palmolive, uh, that in our DNA so many intelligent mind. Uh, so uh, the manufacturer created shampoo by trying an error uh, to find the solution to our hair, that uh, to call to cure call and to cure uh, the dandruff, because this shampoo is for cold and frizz and also for dandruff. So these so many ingredients used to develop this, so that information our mind by the manufacturer use the information to invent this product to solve the problem in our head. And so we can see this the many ingredients. So this is the support that our minds are very intelligent how to solve any problem in this in our life, like in our hair, like the dandruff. So many ingredients to read this. So if you can read this or can buy shampoo to or any things that to support the DNA that have a many information or intelligent mind. So that's all. Thank you.